Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back to the Brown Butter Sage channel, where we discuss culture, cuisine, the arts, and more. Now, to know me is to know that I love food. I love food. And several years ago, I started cooking a lot more often. And during the pandemic, I practically cooked. I was trying to cook like a chef. I don't know. I was trying to put myself through culinary school, anything to kind of keep my mind off of everything that was going on and to feed myself. And I got pretty good at it. And I got pretty good at plating dishes. I love to plate. And I love to present the food that I was making. So one of the things that I wanted to introduce on this channel is this series that I'm titling Good Grub, where I basically talk about recipes that I enjoy, why I enjoy them, give maybe a little bit of history behind the recipes, and then just share them with you guys and see if some of you all make them, and let me know if you enjoyed the recipes yourselves. Just, branching out in a little food community over here. But my inaugural recipe for this series is going to be mussels with this saffron sauce. This creamy saffron sauce. And let me tell you guys, this is so delicious. It comes together super, super, super quick. And let me take care of just a little bit of housekeeping before we get into the recipe. So my local fishmonger really loves me. I think he has a crush on me. But every time I go in to get mussels, he does clean them for me. He takes the beard off and everything. So I have it pretty good because I actually don't really enjoy that process. If I can skip it, I'm gonna skip it. But he does it for me, and it's really cool. Then I come home and I clean them a little bit myself. And I do recommend using fresh mussels, whenever you can. But listen, you can buy like prepackaged mussels from Costco. You can even get them from Walmart, and I've had the ones from Costco before, and actually they were not bad. So do whatever is financially feasible for you, or whatever is convenient for you. No shame in making this dish, okay? And that's about it. So like I said, just make sure you clean your mussels before, obviously, scrub. I will, along with the recipe that I'm going to leave in the description of this video, I am also going to link a video on how to clean your mussels, just in case anybody wants to get them fresh. All right, so cool. Let's get into the recipe. And again, this goes by very, very, very quickly. Okay, so once my mussels are all clean, I will add some oil and some red pepper and some garlic to my pan, and I will saute that for a bit just to let the aromatics go. And then once those have sauteed enough, just for a few minutes, then I'm going to add parsley. I usually don't introduce parsley to a dish this soon, but it's kind of important to have that herb in there sooner. And so once that's in there, let that cook for a little bit. And then I'm going to add my saffron seeds. You want to take those threads and put them either in a little bit of wine or some veggie stock or some seafood stock, actually. And I usually prefer to use the stock with this recipe and cut the richness with lemon instead of wine, but you can do wine as well. Then I'm going to add some salt, pepper, Old Bay, and cream. I'm going to stir that up a little bit, let that reduce. Then I'm going to put my mussels in the pan. I'm going to shake that up a little bit and let those steam for about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure they've all opened. And discard any ones that haven't, and then you're going to add your pasta. Now, normally I would make this dish, you could have it just with the sauce and a side of crusty bread, but I do like to add pasta sometimes, and so I did that here, and the starch from the pasta water is going to thicken up your sauce just a little bit. So I stir that around, then I add a little bit more parsley, and then I cut it with the lemon and taste for seasoning, and stir that up a little bit more, and you are done. Now, again, you're going to discard any mussels that did not open, but for plating, I like to take pretty much most of them out of the shells and just put them directly into the pasta, and then I like to leave a few in the shells just for decoration, because look at her. Look at how pretty she is. Doesn't she look scrumptious? So, just take your little pasta, roll it up a little bit with a little carving fork or a spoon and a fork, whatever, however you want to do it. Put it in your plate and put those mussels all around with some crispy bread. Oh my God, this is so delicious, and it looks kind of fancy. So if you want to make this for your boo, like, they will think that you put a lot into it, and really it didn't take that much time. So this is a winner. If you do try it, please let me know. And yeah. Thanks for tuning in to my first episode of the Good Grub series. I promise I have more yummy recipes on the way. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until we meet again, get yourself some good grub and take good care. Bye.